Hi, welcome to Training Mugs Java coding series. In this, I'll show you how to install JDK and configure JDK in your Windows machine. So, first open your browser and type JDK 11 download. So, which will take you to the official website. So, scroll down, select accept license agreement and download the required software for your operating system. Since I'm using Windows, I'm downloading the exe version. So this will ask you to sign on with your Oracle account. If you do not have, you can create one. And once you sign in successfully, it will ask you to download, which I already downloaded. So it's now downloading it again. Once the download is completed, open the file and just double click to open the installation. Click on S. I have already installed this version, so it will give me a warning that you want to reinstall. I'm just clicking on yes to reinstall. Just click on next. So once it's successfully installed, to confirm, just go to your C drive, program files, under your Java, you have JDK 11 installed with all the required files. So now let us see how do you configure your JDK. So to configure your JDK, so right click on your PC, go to properties and select advanced system settings, select environment variables, and then here you just go to path, click on edit. I've already configured the path, so if you want to configure it so you won't have this variable, so if you want to configure it, you just click on new and then copy till this bin and paste it here as a new variable. So click on OK and then click on OK and OK. So in order to confirm whether it is registered, open your command prompt. So run as administrator and here type java version. So this is listing me Java 9 version, not Java 11. So we'll see why it is giving that Java 9. So in order to resolve this issue, go to the properties file again and go to your path, click on edit and make sure that your JDK 11 should be before your system 32. So select this and just click on up till before 32, or you can make it as a beginning one and just click on OK, click on OK, click on OK and then close this window and then exit this and restart your command line, and now you can type java version, which will give you JDK 11. So this is the way how do you configure your Java in your Windows machine.